Hey everyone, welcome back to Pincha Pink Salt. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. And if this is your first time here, welcome to our kitchen. We're so happy to have you. Today we're going to be making avocado toast, which I think we can all agree that this is a favorite of all avocado lovers. And for that we're going to be using bread. I'm going to be using pumpernickel bread, salt and pepper, and of course an avocado. And what I'm going to be doing now is cutting my loaf of pumpernickel bread into two thick slices, about an inch thick, and I'm going to be spreading vegan butter all over one side of the toast. And the reason I'm spreading vegan butter on it now is because I'm actually going to be toasting it in a very hot pan versus an actual toaster. I prefer to do this because I feel that the hot pan keeps the bread really nice and soft, while the vegan butter gets to seep into all the nooks and crannies. So you're going to want to toast it on both sides. And now we're going to work on our avocado mixture. So for that, we're going to scoop in our avocado. And then we're going to sprinkle in the salt and pepper. And I'm also going to be adding in a little bit of fresh lemon juice, about a tablespoon. This is going to add a nice tangy, acidic flavor to the avocado mixture. And with a fork, we're just going to mash it to your desired consistency. I typically prefer mine on the creamier side, with still a little chunky but more creamy, which you're going to see in a second. Okay, and now once our loaf or our slices have cooled down a little bit, we're going to just scoop that mixture on, generously of course. Alright, and at this point you can definitely dig in, but I'm going to add on some black pepper. And this is completely optional, but I like to add some fresh dill to my avocado toast. I feel that it adds a really nice buttery, herby flavor to the toast. So if you have that available, I definitely recommend giving that a try as well. And that's it, everyone. That's avocado toast. There's really not much else to it. Except eating. It's absolutely delicious, and I really hope you all give this recipe a try. If you do, let me know in the comments below what you think, and I actually would love to know what kind of bread you like to use for your avocado toast. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and to see more videos like this one, subscribe and hit that notification bell. We put out new videos every week. Until next time, have a great day.